Steve here from Central West New South Wales. I'm here to give a quick appraisal of the Enerdrive equipment I bought from my generator from a Caravan. I spend a lot of time free camping and in the Caravan in remote areas, and I had a lot of trouble with AGM batteries and my old charger died, so after a bit of research I decided to go with Enerdrive, and I've purchased a 240 volt charger so I can use my generator when I'm out in remote areas to recharge my 200 amp B-TEC lithium battery. And I've also bought a DC to DC charger so I can charge my batteries from my vehicle or the solar panels on top of the Caravan. I found it very reliable, and I'm still to put in the DC to DC charger. The thing I find that I didn't know until after I purchased it was that my generator and Enerdrive give brilliant after sale service. I rang up with a question about earthing and whether I had to earth to the chassis, and they answered that question. And then the tech advisors at Enerdrive also said, look, they're happy to talk me through the programming of the charger, and it was most helpful. And the beauty of this charger is that it can charge 3 separate banks of batteries. So I might have a different configuration. I might have AGM batteries. I might want to charge a battery in my Toyota Land Cruiser for when I unhook and go prospecting. This charger can do all of it. And 200 amp hour, I just charge it with the generator within a couple hours from near flat, and I'm good to go. I'm very happy. Thanks to my generator. Great price, great service. Thank you.